Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today, I will show you how to use cucumber and banana. How to use cucumber to remove wrinkles. This is an anti-aging cucumber banana to give you porcelain skin. This anti-aging banana helps to remove wrinkles. Cucumber soothes the skin and reduces inflammation. It balances excess oil and helps prevent acne. Keeps skin hydrated, smooth, and glowing. Antioxidants in cucumber slow down the appearance of wrinkles. Regular use rejuvenates the skin and gives it a natural, youthful glow. Dear viewers, from which country are you watching my videos? Please write it in the comments. I'd love to know where you're from. If you love natural beauty, anti-aging remedies, and homemade skincare recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Let's stay beautiful the natural way, together. Anti-wrinkle benefits. Yes, cucumber is one of the natural anti-wrinkle remedies. The vitamin C and silica, mineral, it contains strengthen the skin's collagen, which increases skin elasticity and reduces wrinkles. We also need bananas for this recipe. Banana nourishes and softens the skin. Its natural oils and vitamins keep skin hydrated. Cucumber cools the skin and adds a fresh glow. Together, they deeply moisturize and rejuvenate the skin. This mix helps reduce inflammation and puffiness. Vitamins C and E restore skin elasticity. Regular use slows down the formation of wrinkles, leaves your skin looking young, smooth, and radiant. Anti-wrinkle benefits. The vitamin C and B6 in bananas, as well as antioxidants, support the skin's collagen production, which reduces wrinkles. And cucumber helps prevent wrinkles by providing moisture and smoothness. When used together, they create a natural Botox effect, making the skin look tighter, younger, and clearer. Apply the mask to cleansed skin. Then you need to massage the area where the wrinkles are with your hands, wherever you want them. Therefore, to get rid of wrinkles properly, you need to massage it. You should use both hands to massage around your eyes, on the eyelids, and also under your eyes. Can be applied under the eyes and above the eyes to get rid of wrinkles around the eyes. So the mask that you need to massage with your hands for at least 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, so it goes deep into the skin. Massage for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, wash it off to see the result. You need to do this for at least 5 days, 3 to 5 days, so you will see the result after 3 to 5 days. It helps to reduce and remove wrinkles. It helps to keep your skin radiant and flawless. Also, this mask prevents wrinkles. If you have wrinkles, it is an anti-aging product, so you put it in the refrigerator because you use it for 3 to 5 days. This can be applied to the face and neck as well. The neck is very beautiful, and what I like about it is that it provides you with moisture and is hydrated, so it is very effective in reducing wrinkles and giving you a beautiful look.